Expunged and then unexpunged. That's the dramatic turn of events in the trial within a trial in the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial. This after a detective who investigated accused 2 revealed that a sensitive and secretive document requested by the court has been shared with the accused. It contains details of other cases police investigated that Sergeant Vusumuzi Mogane says were highly confidential. He told the court he feared for the lives of witnesses as the cases involved guns, kidnappings and murders. This is the trial within a trial looking at the admissibility of confessions by 2 of the accused continues. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu brings us up to speed.
You must disclose that information, all of it, okay, but you must disclose it in the form of a note, all right? And that note will be made available to all the counsels here, even Mr. Baloyi, and it will be kept by this court.
That was a ruling on Tuesday after Sergeant Vusumuzi Mogane would not reveal the investigation he conducted on the 18th of June in 2020 when he booked out Bongani Ntanzi for over 17 hours. He maintains Ntanzi wanted to go with him because he was bored, but the defense believe that's when Ntanzi was tortured into making a confession. On Wednesday, Mogane complied with the order, but in a twist, later requested to address the court.
As we were sitting and during the break, my lord, I saw the document. When I handed it over to Mr. Baloyi, it was written confidential. However, I saw the document now roaming around in court, my lord.
Who else had that document?
I saw Muzi in possession of it and all the accused were reading it, my lord.
Who gave them that? Do you know?
I do not know who gave it to them, my lord. And now I am being worried, my lord, for our witnesses, especially in those cases.
The document contains sensitive and secretive investigations by the National Cold Case Unit, some of them involving the accused.
In all these cases, my lord, there are firearms that are involved. People were shot, people were kidnapped, other people were threatened. So I was worried if my witnesses would still be alive tomorrow.
Much to the shock of the presiding officer, Rata Mokgwatleng, who made a ruling.
Actually, I'm shocked, that senior counsels like this can actually behave in this matter. I'm just shocked. I explicitly said it's only for the court officials. Now you're telling me the accused are having... This gentleman is right when he says he doesn't know whether tomorrow some of the witnesses will be dead or not. The nature of things, these documents are not going to form part of these proceedings because that evidence has now been contaminated. So this court makes a ruling that this information has been expunged from the record of these proceedings.
But Mokgwatleng later changed his tune, allowing its use.
Because this court hopes to be fair, there was a dispute as to whether this witness is actually, his testimony is actually the truth or not. And at that stage, this court is not involved in joining whether this witness is being truthful or not because it's at the moment giving evidence.
A medical report which was read in court has suggested that Ntanzi did not have injuries just 2 days before making his second confession. The state, however, is objecting to its submission. The trial within a trial continues on Thursday. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.